In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly set up and synchronize lead scoring between your HubSpot and Marketo accounts. Whether you're a seasoned marketer or just getting started with these powerful tools, a well-defined lead scoring system can be a game changer for your sales and marketing strategy. Let's dive in by logging into your HubSpot and Marketo accounts. It's a good idea to open them in separate tabs so you can easily switch between the two as needed. In HubSpot, head over to the Contacts section. From there, navigate to Lead Scoring. If you don't see this option, you might need to create a custom property for Lead Score. This setup will allow you to track and quantify the engagement and potential of your leads effectively. Next comes defining the criteria for your lead scoring. Think about the actions that most indicate a lead's interest. For instance, how often they visit your website, whether they open your emails, or if they've filled out forms. Each of these actions can be assigned a specific number of points, reflecting its importance to your sales funnel. Be thoughtful about how you assign these points, as it sets the foundation for differentiating between casual visitors and those ready to engage further. Once you've established your criteria in HubSpot, jump over to Marketo. Here, you'll want to access the lead management section, specifically the score rules area. This part may feel familiar as you'll mirror the scoring criteria you've already set up in HubSpot. Consistency is key here as it ensures that the data you're collecting is comparable across both platforms. If your HubSpot and Marketo accounts are integrated, the next step is crucial for keeping your lead data aligned. Ensure these platforms are synced, allowing for updates on lead scores to reflect across the board. This synchronization aids in maintaining a unified view of your leads regardless of which platform you or your team members are working from. Lastly, it's vital to test your scoring model. Begin by reviewing some sample leads to see how they're categorized under the new system. This will give you insight into whether your assigned weights accurately reflect your lead's behavior and potential. Don't hesitate to adjust the scoring weights if you find discrepancies. This fine-tuning process is essential for optimizing your lead scoring to better support your outreach efforts. And there you have it, a quick yet comprehensive guide to setting up and synchronizing your lead scoring between HubSpot and Marketo. By following these steps, you're well on your way to harnessing the full potential of these platforms, ensuring your marketing and sales efforts are finely tuned to attract and engage the best possible leads. Thank you for watching, and happy scoring!